I love that grate.
Yeah.
Super cool. Super awesome.
We're going every 12 inches.
Yeah. Throw his floor down. Bam. So look, we got our block across. Okay, and we set all this to 3 foot, so it just makes life easy on the go board. That's why we got a plate right there, because we're going to start the 5 foot down there in that corner. It's going to hit that seam. We got a 2x6 button these 2 sheets, which is awesome. They're already over here on that one. We got that in, and then on the back side, we went in and put in blocking here because on the finished side, this is going to be 2 cubbies, 2 shelves for the flip side of this wall. Already got our drains sitting in here, right on the dime. So that's about an inch up off the subfloor. We're going to pack that real good. We're going to go ahead and get all the subfloor wet when we get closer. Drop in our deck mud and everything, and then that won't take the moisture out of that deck mud as we're mixing it. All right, so look, as we're still getting set up for the floor and all this, I just wanted to show you. Remember in the last video, we had marked all these grab bars, the wand. We've got a 24-inch grab bar going in here later, so that's already blocked. We've got our initial grab bar on the inside of here, sitting there, and then we have, this is for our heated towel rack right here. So the best way we know that we like to do it with the subfloor changing inside of the shower, we're getting ready to pitch the floor. It's hard to get any accurate measurement. You can't get accurate measurements out here. This is going to change as well. So now that our roof line is completely set, it is all set to the same. It's set with the laser. What we do is come up top, and instead of writing all this stuff down, we come up top, and I took my phone, set it right in front, took a picture of that. Boom. Coming on down where it ends, took a picture of that. Then we put a little cheap piece of go board and tile over here and set the tape to it so we can see the start and the stop. So later on, when all this stuff gets covered up, I have it in my camera, in my pictures. I know exactly, putting this back up here, I know exactly where we are with everything. And then we keep the same 16. So we had the go board and the tile sitting out here staged already. And then we went from the same corner. So we kind of do them in a row. This was 1, this was 2, 3, 4, 5. And every one of these was pulled down. And as we went, we picked a wall and staged it with go board and tile. Pulled the tape across so we know where our left to right is and we know where the height is. Then it's easy just to scroll through your pictures and look. And you're already pointing the camera dead at it so you can see exactly your span even though it's covered up. So we know where to come in here later and pop these right on the dime. So look, I think you can see it. So we got Aqua Defense up here. So it is up on top. It's the rails all the way. You can see it. We got that entire thing down in the chutes, the whole 9. When I take these off later, after all this dries, we went ahead and 2-coated all that because that took quite a little bit to get over to here. So all that's done now, looks really good. And when I'm finished, we'll drop these and then I'll kind of mop that on there on these 2 beams on the bottom sides, anything like that. Go ahead and get those extra coated. But all that's done, and then look. So here's our go board going around. We got this ready to go. Everything's popped right in here. And we even got, over there, right by the curb there getting in. So we're ready. We're going to leave all this off up here. We're just going to go ahead with the floor. We're getting ready to put metal lath down and go ahead with our deck mud and everything. We're going to put our 2-inch pipe back in there, get him stubbed up, cut exactly where the Flow FX drain's going. See how we got our staged like that. So we're already sitting here ready to go. We'll go ahead and glue that down. We've already had it in there completely level like it's supposed to be. We just take it out so we don't step on it. All that sort of stuff. But all in all, we're in great shape. That'll go right down, sit in there, and it's already set to be 1 inch off the floor. So we're going to recheck it with our level, and then we'll send our screws in there, and then we'll put deck mud, dry pack underneath, pack that really tight, and then we'll go out and set our perimeter line with the deck mud and start working all this in towards the drain all the way around, 7x5. So look, earlier we had thin set underneath there. We just got rolling, forgot to show you, but that's where the thin set went underneath of there with the waffles. And then we had we figured out our corner up here was roughly 3 inches, 1/4 inch per foot. We sat here and made a screw line all the way. And then Billy's out here taking a breather, and we are right into the end now. Look at that, Tom. There it is, right there. So we'll get this wrapped up, bring you back. Look, I'm telling you, best thing since sliced bread, these guys right here. So Billy, Tom, and myself, we're about the best triple team I've ever seen.
For sure.
Yeah. Everybody's a beast at what they do. Everybody. So it all came together. They love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, next in line, remember that waterproofing's up there? Next in line, we'll be setting that. The rain head and everything. Different style membrane going down this time. We'll go over that when we get ready to do that. It's probably going to be tomorrow. We'll go over the odds and ends of all that with the membrane, 4 corners, the banding, our neon green center down there. He's just chilling right now. We'll set that here later. But everything all in all is just awesome. Just awesome. Yep. We'll see y'all on the next one. Tomorrow, be putting down the membrane, be getting this ready to go, and then we'll start working on all that rock, beams, the whole 9, and tiling up.
Let's do it.